Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon found a mystery box that I didn't find. And I'm happy for her.
It's also probably one you wouldn't have gone for.
Well, first of all,
it's Medusa's makeup.
Yay.
They did some mystery bundles. There was mystery bundle number 1, mystery bundle number 2. They're both $5. You get 2 items. And then the mystery bundle deluxe was $10. And you get 3 items. I don't know if they do this all the time. It showed up on my shop app and I said, ooh, that's fun.
Yeah.
And cheap.
And, you know, Medusa's makeup is very interesting to me.
Okay.
It's always like, there's something that's always like, it's not me, but wow, is that beautiful. So
like the Odin's Eye.
Like Odin's Eye does the same thing, yes. But I have been looking into Odin's Eye palettes.
Okay, so you're going to give me bundles at a time?
Yeah. Do you want the broken heart or do you want the star?
I'll do the star.
Okay.
Look at how cute these are. Just a little sticker stuck on them.
So this is $5, right?
And they're sealed.
Yeah. You can just do a little separate job if you want. Could probably use the bag for I don't know what.
I got Jamaica.
Ooh.
This is a matte eyeshadow in the color Jamaica.
Are you kidding?
No!
I love it.
It looks like just a neutral.
Is that like a brown gray? Maybe?
Yeah, like a grayish maybe.
Yeah.
I want it out.
Have you been to the gym lately?
Clearly not.
Oh.
I can't even shiv it open. I destroyed it.
Some people's children, Mom.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, that is beautiful.
It's nice to get a single in a case.
I agree.
It's not just a loose. Yeah, I would definitely call it kind of a grayish, like a gray, beigey.
So I'm looking at it, and how are we getting Jamaica from that?
It's sand.
Okay, yeah, all right.
Coconut.
Coconut, yes.
Yeah, it's almost kind of purpley.
Oh, that's pretty.
And it's absolutely a color that I'll use. It does swatch more purple than it looks in the pan too. Let me.
Might be one that you might have to build up a little bit.
It feels very creamy.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, touch it. Feel it.
Ooh, it does feel like a cream to powder.
Yeah.
Wow.
It doesn't say that it is.
That is a beautiful formula.
And talc is high on the ingredient list, so I don't know. It's nice. It's pretty.
Fun.
This is Tinted Lip Balm by Lovebird. So they did say that not everything will be Medusa's makeup. Some of it's going to be some of their favorite brands.
Okay, perfect.
And the color Smile.
Which you do a lot of these days.
Right. I want to open it. I'm struggling today. Where's the edge of it? Where's the old school shiv? Sorry, Rose.
Yeah, Rose does not want us to hurt each other or ourselves. Oh, okay. It looks like a big chapstick moment.
Yeah, well, it's a tinted lip balm. Oh, she is tinted.
Ooh, she's pretty.
Let's see how pigmented that is, though.
Yeah, my turn. Oh, that's gorgeous.
It smells lovely.
It's
like a sugar cookie.
Yeah,
Yes.
coconut cookie. Oh, that's beautiful, Shannon. Yeah.
Ooh, too.
Oh, that's a win.
$5.
Perfect. Here's your broken heart.
Broken hearts. The mystery bundles did have, like, one of them had a broken heart symbol on the, when you ordered it, and the other one was a star. So.
That's so sad. There is no broken hearts in this room.
Okay. 36-hour durability eyeliner by Svimi. Times of Frozen Scents Color Geometry. I might probably not use it, but I want to see what it is.
Yeah.
That cellophane came off much easier. Oh, it looks just black. There's just black.
Oh. Gosh, it had us all scared thinking it was a something.
It says like color geometry on it. It's a nice black.
Yeah, but don't scare us half to death with words and colors.
It says color there too. Nowhere on it does it say it's black. Slim color. It's black.
Black is safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, so far, everything's been safe.
Yes.
This feels like another single. Montego Bay. We are going to
Are you
Jamaica.
kidding? This is so much fun. Been there too.
This is definitely a purple.
Yes. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ooh.
I'm gonna swatch it right next to that.
I think that is beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And it feels like it's the same formula.
It swatched very well. Like not a skip in sight, no resistance. Beautiful.
Oh, this is fun.
Wow. Last
donut
is a donut.
This is the deluxe one, so there should be 3 items in here.
I love donuts. Maple bacon donut.
I don't want bacon.
I don't like bacon, but I like it on my maple donut.
Medusa's makeup. Oh, another tinted lip balm in the color Debut. This one's from
This is a different brand, right?
This is Medusa's makeup brand.
Oh, packaging's cute.
Super cute.
Really? That's so similar. I wouldn't swatch the other one if you don't have to.
I'm not going to.
That's very similar, but it's beautiful.
And it's, I mean, it snaps shut. It's cute packaging.
Yeah.
This is a lip balm, great for throwing in the bag. Medusa's Makeup Mystical Eye Dust in the color Chrysaor. Someone tell us how to say that. This is cute packaging too.
Yes.
Little Pegasus. They use the strongest cardboard known to man. Ooh!
Your dog's barking.
Not my dog. I see the little thing.
Do you need a tweezer?
Maybe. Nope, I got it. I do like this kind of top on a loose pigment. It's got the little holes.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
That's very pretty. It's like a maroony gold.
Kind of, yeah.
Like a rose gold.
Rose gold.
Hello? Colors are hard. It's
Words.
yeah.
Words. Okay, so one more item. Baked eyeshadow F-bomb.
That looks similar to this, Shannon.
No,
No.
no, this is purple. It was stuck.
I know. Ooh.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Definitely kind of a purple theme.
Yeah, there's a lot going on here with deep, dark, rich colors.
That's really pretty. Let me put it next to this purple.
Oh, that would be a pretty combination.
I don't love a baked shadow, but that was easy. Sometimes baked shadows are too dry.
Yes.
So yeah, I got a handful of stuff. So I got 7 items for $20.
Yeah. Yeah. Where else can that happen?
7 wearable items. There's not a color here because Medusa's makeup sometimes can go a little
scary,
wacky. But not one of these was. Everything, you wouldn't have been scary for you to open.
I would not have been scared at all, actually. Do you know if this is still available?
It's still popping up on my feed. Like
Okay.
it's been popping up every day still. So you might want to get on that.
Yeah.
So there's one item here that, and it's simply because I don't use a liquid eyeshadow.
Eyeliner.
Or
it's okay.
Yeah.
Words.
That word.
I think it's great.
And I know they probably didn't do it on purpose, but I appreciate that like every one of these colors might be in the same eyeshadow palette. Like,
yeah,
it's kind of
cohesive.
A cohesive set.
Yeah.
Like an eyeliner and 4 beautiful eyeshadows that can be intermixed with each other.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And 2 tinted lip balms. And I do love a lip balm. I couldn't be happier.
Yeah, I think it was a great haul.
And I haven't used a lot of Medusa's makeup. So this gives me an opportunity to try a little more of it for a little bit of price.
Yes.
Have you gotten these? Were yours as pretty as mine? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring that ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.